Hey guys, Ivy, and it's time for Walgreens Cheap Deals this week. When I say free, I mean free toothpaste, guys. Nice stocking stuffer or start your coupon stockpile. But first, we're going to get to the Crest scope right here. It is $3.50. Now, it's an awesome deal going on with Crest. Once we look at that, we see that it's $3.50. We see it's a number of coupons. Now we're going to read the one that says buy 3 P&G oral care items and you get a $5 registered reward. Now that is not all. It is also a number of coupons attached, and actually 3. We're going to tap the one that says you'll get $5 off of 3. That's the coupon. Always go down into your coupons and look for your product. Make sure it attaches to it. That is one of the things that Walgreens is good for. So $3.50 times 3 leaves us at $10.50. Take that 5 off 3 coupon, leave you at $5.50 out of pocket. Once you pay, your register should print a $5 register reward, leaving you at 50 cents or 16 cents each. Those are 16 cents. Now, when I say free, guys, I mean free. Right here, you're going to say the Crest Recession Gum Proof. Now, it is on sale, but guys, give me a moment because in here, the app is awful this evening in Walgreens, but I'm going to give you free. When I say free, if you have this coupon, it is free, guys. So I definitely grab mine, okay? So it's $5 right there. Look at the coupons, 3. Now I'm going to hit the bottom coupon, and it is, see that, $5 off of 1. Whenever you see that little clip sign, you need to tap it, make it a check mark, okay? And you're going to always look for your product, and there it is right there. $5.99. Now, one was recession, one was enamel, and I got the one that was enamel, okay? So I'm paying what? Just taxes on it. Guys, if you got a freebie, grab your freebie, okay? It's awesome to do stocking stuffers. You could do blessing bags, all of that with these deals. Now, here's another one. The toothbrushes are $4.50. Buy 2, you get a $4 registered reward, okay? So you could pick up 2 Colgate toothbrushes if you want to. Let's scan that. Now, when we look at the Colgate toothbrushes, we see that they have a $4 coupon. When you hit that check mark, tap it, open the detail up, you're going to see that you need to buy 2. All right. Find your product down in there. Once you find your product, then you know that that coupon is attaching to your item. So we're going to go $4.50 times 2 leaves us at $9. Take off your $4, you'll pay $5 out of pocket. When you pay, it should print you out a $4 register reward, leaving you paying 50 cents each. So grab 2 of those toothbrushes. Again, stocking stuffers are hot this week. Now, I believe in giving functional gifts. Here are the garbage bags for trash bags for Walgreens. They are buy 1, get 2 free. Now they only go up to the 8-gallon bags, so that's fine. $4.99 divided by 3, so that means you'll pay $1.66. Now, guys, I want you to pay attention to the Walgreens tissue and paper towel. It's originally $5, right? Walgreens gave us a $1.50 coupon. That's my Walgreens. Remember, guys, a lot of people forgot you can use that coupon up to 3 times in one transaction. So if you want to grab that paper towel or tissue, grab it. I grabbed the paper towel because I am doing my bags for Christmas. Now the big napkins, again, guys, they're usually $2.49. They're on sale for $1.99. Those made out great for me for Thanksgiving, so I am going to grab a couple more of those. Guys, get what you need. Get what you need. And I think I left a couple, which is fine. I'll leave a couple right now. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, hit like, subscribe, and share Ivy's coupon. Now don't forget the Arm & Hammer. The Arm & Hammer is $4.99, 3 for $7.49, but we have a coupon. Once we scan that, we see that it's 3 for $7.49 with a $1 coupon. Hit that, turn it green, open your detail up, and make sure your product is attaching to that coupon. So we're going to say $7.49, take that 1 off, then divide that by 3. You're going to pay $2.16. Again, awesome stocking stuffer bags to give away during Christmas, guys. Like, I give tissue, paper towel. That's what I do. Whatever I coupon for. If you can ask me for it, I can give it to you for a gift. Now, Gain. I have my bestie. She loves Gain. And that's what I am going to give her for Christmas. And we have 2 coupons. They are $1.05 and the other one is $1. So we go $4.49, take away that. You're going to take your $1.05 off. Then you're going to take your dollar off, leave you at $8.93. Now, once I pay out of my pocket, I'm going to get a $2 register reward. $6.93. So I'm going to pay $3.46 for each one. I'm going to grab 2 Gains, guys. Again, I am doing baskets for Christmas, and they are care baskets. Now, Cheapies. Make sure you get your Cheapies. The small space is on sale for $3.49. Guys, we have a $2 coupon, making that $1.49. Not only do my brother use these in his house, guys, he also used these in his car, and that gave me a good idea because I opened one and threw it up under my car seat. Whole car smell awesome. So don't forget, guys. Now, we also have a lot of spend deals. Check your spend deals because I understand a lot of people did not get the same spend deals as I got. So this is my cart right here. I am packed and well aware and getting ready. Now, the Dow hand soap is $2.99. It's an okay deal, but this is what happens when you run out of hand soap, okay? So you have $1 off 2 coupon, $2.99 times 2. Take that $1 off of 2, leave you at $4.98, $2.49, okay? And I could have got the generic Walgreens one for $1.99. Buy one, get one 50% off, guys, okay? So those are the deals this week. I am going to collect a lot, guys. And a lot of your register rewards on Walgreens Cash that you use, you can pay on your gifts with it. Gift sets, everything, guys. Now, don't forget this week, guys, I also shop at Dollar General, and it is tons of items that you can pick up. You have Dollar General early activation 3-day sale plus 24 days of Christmas. My any day deals plus more 24 days of Christmas. My Do Now deal and laundry stock up plus is cash back, plus my ad preview early activation. And then after that, guys, it is my curtain because I did not realize that I was filming the curtains in here. So enjoy the view for now. But thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share Ivy's coupon count because we do not gatekeep around here. And I want to know exactly what you guys got for the holiday, okay? Make sure you do those deals. Bye.